It's travel day as full-time RVers, and we are off to our next location, meaning we gotta pack everything we own and get on the road. The first thing we have to do is put away any freestanding items that are hanging out and about, like vases, desk equipment, and lock up all of the cabinets that are holding glass or any valuable items, or any that might be prone to opening. This prevents them from flying open during transit and items going everywhere. Trust me, it's happened to us. Next, I have to lock up all the furniture. Right now, we have way too much freestanding furniture. I'm working on getting rid of a few things and maybe making some adjustments so these benches can actually pull down instead of me having to lock them up every time. Once Chase finishes packing up the Starlink, bikes, and all garage items, we pull the patio up and lock it for travel. This couch is next on my to-do list, and while it looks gorgeous, it is the largest pain in the butt to put away every single travel day because all of the cushions have to be removed and then restowed away right here. But that's okay because we still love it. The number one tip we have learned so far is to ensure you're cleaning your floors and under your slides very well before you pull them in. Rocks and other particles can get trapped under there and will damage the slide outs or the floors when it goes in. And that's an expensive fix I'm really not willing to deal with. Slide it all in, close up the stairs, remove all the exterior hookups, attach the truck to the RV, and do one final safety check for brake lights and all the exterior before we head off to our next adventure. If you want to see where we're headed next, make sure to follow along.